One quick thing I want to show you really quick. After you import a template that you're going to edit, you don't have to edit the template that's on your Trello board for launch parties for yourself or for any launch parties you might be doing for a new recruit. You don't have to edit those. Those templates are pretty much created to just set up and go, for a new consultant who doesn't really know how to do this just yet. But after you've done those parties and you're doing your first party on your own, you're going to want to update, edit your template, your shared template. Anytime you get a borrowed template, you want to make some edits. And this is how you do that. So this is a template that has been imported. Those are all of the posts that are part of the template. You go to the very first one and click on there and select edit. You don't need to change the day that it posts or the time. Our templates are set up to post about 3 days before, sometimes 4, 3 days before the actual party. What you see here, this is called a text replacement. You'll see something like consultant name or host or time or date or link. All of those words will be inside these little symbols. I call them carrots. Anything that you see inside those symbols you do not want to change. Those are called text replacements, and that is what makes your template reusable for party after party after party. So those will stay as they are. What you do want to change is the text that's in here. Like this, for example, is my bio. You'd want to change it so that it reflects you. This one, for example, I'll give you something that you could say instead. This is just a party game. Here it says points alert. Private message me your guess so for how many books are in the umbrella. Count correctly and score 10 prize points. Don't worry, you still get 5 points for guessing. Your post can remain the same. It can be it doesn't have to be an umbrella. If you go to Readers Becoming Leaders Facebook group, there are plenty of other how many books are in the picture games, so you can select another one, and simply your wording could just say something like, it's game time, or who loves games, or what's a party without a game? Send me a private message with your guess on how many books are in the whatever it is. And I'll give you some instructional on how to obtain this also. This is so that your party guests can send you a direct message with their answer. But I'll do that in a separate video. My point behind this is text replacements and how important it is for you to keep these things here. Here's another one that's got it. Text replacement. See, link. Every time you have a new party, you'll create a new link, and when you schedule posts for posting, it will ask you what you want to say wherever it says link, and that's where you have your party link. So again, don't remove these text replacements, keep them just the way they are, and I'll explain what you do with them after you are ready to schedule a party. So I'm going to go to a party that I have, and I'll show you what those text replacements do. They're amazing. They are what make our templates reusable for party after party after party. Okay, so here we are on my parties. I'm just going to scroll down to one that's kind of midway through party posts. Here's my friend Lisa. So when I created Lisa's group, I scheduled her posts with my party template. And here they are. Here's all my posts. But when I first schedule a template to post, you scroll all the way down and you'll see all of those text replacements right here. So everywhere where I had the word host, it asks me, okay, what do you want it to say wherever it says Lisa? Wherever it says host, and I would put Lisa. That's the host's name. Everywhere where it says time, I put the start time of her party. Everywhere where it says booking month, let's see, I want to get bookings for September, so I put September. These are all of my text replacements. So if I scroll up, here's introduce myself. So originally this said, hi, my name is consultant name, and I will be your guide through host book party. So originally these were text replacements. So after I've scheduled the template to run, down the bottom here, it said, okay, what do you want us to say wherever it says host and consultant name? So that is the point of a text replacement.